Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Skype account. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. So on the URL section, we could see there, we have to type skype.com and just enter it. We just opened our Skype website and we could see at the bottom there's a download Skype. I'm going to click it there as well. So here's another get Skype for Windows 10 and 11. I'm going to click it there as well. Here's another option for open Microsoft Store. So I'm going to click it there and I'm going to open it right here. So to create our account, we are required to also write our email. So I'm going to just simply write my email here and just click it to the next here. So for furthermore, we are also required with a password. So I'm going to simply just write a random password and just click it right into the next. So we are also required with our basic information, which is our name. So it's Sharon. Next. So I'm just simply going to put up my basic information. So you can also do it as I have done it. Simply click into the next. For furthermore process in our mail, for furthermore process to verify our email, we have to check into our email and there's a code given. We just simply have to enter the code and just simply click into the next. And for furthermore process, we also have to solve this puzzle. Submit it here. Verification is completed. So guys, we successfully created our Skype account and we could also add an image right here. So I'm not going to do that at the moment and we actually made an account. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope it really helps. And also please don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment down below if you have any queries for it.